Hi, I'm Jill Bienenstock from Bienenstock Natural Playgrounds, and I'm here to talk to you about what you can do during this time of COVID-19 and isolations, and what to do with your kids in your backyard. Our backyard looks like it's basically gray, and there's a lot of leaves and the grass needs doing, but there's still tons of things that you can do in this backyard for kids. I have to say, one of the most important things we have to do is get kids moving. Big body play, heavy work opportunities provide those gross motor skills that kids need at this time. Kids are sedentary inside your house most likely, so we need to get them moving outside. Today I have a bunch of loose parts that I want to share with you. And those loose parts will help with that big body play, with the heavy work opportunities. This is so important because you want to create unstructured free play for your kids. So I want to show you here on our deck, we've got some buckets, some milk crates, stumps. I even brought some fabric out and a few clothes pegs that we have here, and some planks. Just leftover stuff that I gathered from our backyard and from old construction projects.